A very, very happy Mahashivratri to all my friends. Today I'm going to share a story of my real life. What happened to me and the feelings I went through. And believe me, miracles happen because they happen to me. This is not a story about religion. This is not a story about gods. This is a story about the beliefs that you carry, that things will go through. I remember it was the year 1992 and my 12th result was just about to come out. I was very scared, tensed. Deep in my heart, I wanted to get into Merchant Navy, but I was worried what kind of result I will get. What will my parents think? What will my friends think? I was going between center to center because those days we did not have any internet, and I was going and checking if the result has come as yet or not. And finally the result came out, and I remember I was just going through the list and I saw my name and I got 63% in my 12th standard. My heart just sank. It sank because I was so scared, will I get a call into Merchant Navy? I was so scared to face my parents because they were expecting at least I will get a distinction. There was so much fear. Finally, I went home and I remember I was talking to my mom and I told her the result, and everybody's face just came down. And I regretted that I should have studied a lot more. I should have got a good percentage if I wanted to get into Merchant Navy. And I remember going office to office, giving my CV. There is nothing in your CV, it's just the 12th standard result. Those days there was no college like a DNS and BSc Nautical Science. We used to just go company to company. Going through all the companies, finally I did not get a call from anywhere. I was so dejected. I used to come home and I used to cry. I used to cry because my parents would also say something, you should have studied harder, and that would make you even more regretful. But my brother was a very good support. He knew I was very, very down and this was not a time to give me a lecture. So he told me, Chal Amit, 2-3 mahine to ho gaye hain. Let's just make a visit to Sai Baba's temple in Shirdi. We booked the ticket for the night. It was an 8 o'clock bus in the night from Dadar. And I remember both of us moving through the crowds of Dadar, reached the Dadar standing bus stop waiting spot. It was an AC mini bus. 8 o'clock, this bus comes. And we are getting into the bus and the conductor stops me. He says, "Ye aapka bus nahi hai." So my brother took out the ticket and he said, "Ye hamare paas ticket hai and bus ka number bhi same hai, travel bhi same hai. So this is our bus and we are standing at the bus stop." But this conductor says, "This is not your bus." बोला, "भाई साहब क्या बात कर रहे हो? और कौन सी बस आएगी? यही तो बस नंबर है हमारा." इसे, "सर मैंने आपको बोला ना, ये आपका बस नहीं है, आपकी बस पीछे आ रही है." फाइनली माई ब्रदर सेड, "चल ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, पीछे आ रही है ना पक्का?" इसे, "हाँ पीछे आ रही है आपकी बस." 8 o'clock के बाद रात को it became 8:20, no bus came, there was no mobiles, year 1992. And then we realized there is no bus. My brother and me, we were very angry, very sad because we wanted to go to Shirdi and looks like Shirdi is not calling us. We walked to the bus office and we went to his office which was just behind the lane and we told him, "Bhai sahab, where is your bus? हम लोग 2 घंटे से 1 घंटे से खड़े हैं आपकी बस के लिए." तो इसे, "सर क्या बात कर रहे हैं, ये बस नंबर तो 8 बजे आई थी." तो we told him, "या आई थी पर आपके कंडक्टर ने हमें चढ़ने ही नहीं दिया." The office boy says, "Impossible, sir. हो ही नहीं सकता। आपकी तो बस है, आप वहीं खड़े हो, आपको क्यों नहीं चढ़ने देगा? आप पहुंचे नहीं होंगे। बोला भाई हमें बस में नहीं चढ़ने दिया, आई एम सॉरी, और कोई बस नहीं है, आपकी बस मिस हो गई है, आप शिरडी नहीं जा सकते। कैन यू बिलीव इट? इन सच डिप्रेशन we came to know we can't even go to Shirdi, you know. I was just in tears because that was one hope I was looking forward to, and I was praying deep in my heart that Sai, please मेरे को एक जहाज दे दो please. And then we both went home and you'll be surprised. We reached home back, we used to live in Kolaba. We reached home and 10 बजे रात को हम लोग घर पहुंचे, और 10 बजे रात को जैसे ही घर में घुसे उसके 5 मिनट में, उसके 3 मिनट में हमारा घर का लैंडलाइन फ़ोन बजता है। उन दिनों हमारे पास लैंडलाइन होता था, एंड रात को 10 बजे, इट वॉज वेरी अनकॉमन, कोई फ़ोन नहीं करता है, रात को 10 बजे फ़ोन बजता है। सिस्को शिपिंग कंपनी से आदमी फ़ोन कर रहा है रात को 10 बजे और कहता है अमित भंडारी। आई सेड यस सर, स्पीकिंग। You have been selected to join your first ship, and we could not believe it. रात को 10 बजे शिपिंग कंपनी से फ़ोन आ रहा है। हमने बोला सर इज़ दिस लाइक रियल? बोलता है वी आर ओनली सॉर्टिंग आउट ऑल द कैडेट्स हु आर गोइंग टू जॉइन, इसीलिए वी आर वर्किंग लेट। I could have never got this call, or I could have never joined this ship if the universe had not decided to put me there, because my belief was clear. I love ships. I wanted to be on a ship. Sai Baba made sure I don't reach there, because night 10 o'clock my call had to come, and morning 10 o'clock we were in a train to Chennai to join my first ship. Boys, girls, whoever is waiting for their ship, don't feel depressed. Keep in mind, universe is full of miracles. ये कोई religious story नहीं है, ये भगवान की story नहीं है, अल्लाह की story नहीं है, ये आपके universal belief की story है, and it's a real story what I went through in my life. So keep faith. आपको भी आपका ship मिलेगा। मैं भी आज कैप्टन हूँ। आज मुझे 29 साल हो गए मर्चेंट नेवी में, पर मुझे आज भी अपना पहला दिन याद है, मुझे आज भी वो दिन याद है। आई लुक बैक एंड आई से थैंक यू ओ यूनिवर्स। इसीलिए रोज सुबह उठो एंड बोलो थैंक यू ओ यूनिवर्स। हाथ ऊपर करो, क्योंकि ज़िंदगी आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है, ज़िंदगी सिर्फ आपके बिलीफ से चल रही है। आप जो सोचोगे, आप जो सोचोगे, दिल से मांगोगे, आपको मिलेगा। बट एक प्लांट को आप रोज पानी डालो, उसके रूट्स में पानी डालो, पर फ्रूट तभी आएगा जब वो प्लांट रेडी है। सो हैव फेथ बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स। हैप्पी महाशिवरात्रि। सी यू टुडे इवनिंग 7 o'clock on Zoom. Captain Amit Bhandari. Bye-bye.